French silk pie. So we're gonna be making the cookie crust right now. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And we're gonna let that sit while we work on the actual crust. Okay, we are going to ground up some Oreos. So I'm going to take probably about 3/4 of this pack, probably not the whole thing. And I'm gonna be putting them in here. I just have this little Ninja food processor, and then I will show you. We're gonna add, once this is all processed, we're gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and then it'll make for a really quick, easy Oreo pie. Okay, after you beat your butter and get it all nice and fluffy, you're going to add your chocolate mixture into this, and then you're going to beat it on high for 5 minutes. Time for this whipped cream for the topping. So that is 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm going to be putting in this 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm just going to pour it in.